Welcome to our channel. Today we how to increase return on ad spend with Facebook ads, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To increase your return on ad spend with Facebook ads, start by defining clear goals for your ad campaign. Identify what you want to achieve, whether it's brand awareness, lead generation, or sales. Next, conduct thorough audience research. Utilize Facebook's audience insights to create detailed buyer personas. Focus on demographics, interests, and behaviors that align with your target market. Once your audience is defined, set up your ad campaign structure. Choose between the campaign, ad set, and ad levels in Facebook Ads Manager. Select the objective that aligns with your goals, like conversions or traffic. At the ad set level, refine your audience selection to target your ideal customers. Set your budget and bidding strategy wisely to maximize your investment. Next, create compelling ad creatives. Use eye-catching visuals and concise, persuasive copy that speaks to your audience's needs. Incorporate a strong call to action, encouraging users to take the next step. Monitor your ad placements and consider using the automatic placement option for broader reach. Now, it's time to track your metrics to gauge performance. Use Facebook's Ads Manager to see your return on ad spend, click-through rates, and engagement levels. Analyze the data regularly to identify trends and insights. If a campaign isn't performing well, don't hesitate to pivot. A/B test different elements such as images, copy, and targeting to find what works best. Utilize retargeting strategies to re-engage users who showed interest but didn't convert. Finally, continually optimize your campaigns. Stay updated with Facebook's evolving ad features and trends. Regularly refresh your creatives to avoid ad fatigue among your audience. With these steps, you can effectively increase your return on ad spend with Facebook ads. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.